If you want to keep organized, you can click on an email and press move to, and you can create a new category such as work emails, and you can move it to that category. And if you want to go to that category, you go on the 3 slashes and you look for it right here under labels. It'll say work emails, and that's where you can find all your work emails. You can do this, for example, with receipts, promotions, and stuff like that. You can just create categories for them and you can organize them like that. If you delete an email and you want to find it again, you just go to the 3 slashes and you go to your trash, and there's your email. And to recover it, you press on the 3 dots, you press move to, and then you go to primary. And then your email will be back in your primary tab, which is your inbox. Now let's create a vacation reply. So say you go on vacation and you can't see your email every second. So you go down to settings down here, you press on your Google account, you go down here to vacation responder, and you turn it on. Once that's on, you can type in a subject that you'd like to send everyone in your contacts. Send only to my contacts, and say, so you can set it up to say something like this, and then you set the first date of when you'd like to send that. So your vacation, let's say it starts on the 31st of August, and it'll end, say, in a week from now, September 7th, or you can set your own custom amount of time. My vacation, let's say it ends October 2nd, and it'll send this vacation reminder to anyone who sends you an email. They'll be notified that you're gone.